Romadhi nyime gi twak mathicho ka PC jatend migawo mapur mithika Linturi bang' jod bura maromo 149 goyo ombulu mar chogo komiti mabiro timo nonro matut ewi mbolea mabandia manous ne jopur. Lidio Keyo lerona twak mane jod bura obedo godo kawuono kama od bura oyiere jokanyo 11 mag komiti mabiro tayo chenro mar timo nonro kendo kelo duoko e od bura bang' ndalo 10.
Will you take your seats, members?
En twak manoyware kuom thuolo malach. Twak manokeli od bura gi jaod bura mabumula Nelson Wamboka mane dwaro mondo mi thich ok apis jatend migawo mar pur mithika Linturi.
How long do you want the members of the public to suffer so that as a house we act? Mithika is a minister. They went and imported sugar that was contaminated, that was not good, that was not fit for human consumption. It went to the people. Cancer cases are now very high. There is a close relationship between cancer and contaminated sugar, edible oil. For when are we going to stand for our people?
Wamboka wacho ni Linturi oserem tayo apise kaluwore gi chike mapachuka kuom rem kawo pach jokanyo e apise kaluwore gi chike mag ng'iyo mwandu. Miyo NCPB thuolo mar chwalo mbolea mabandia ne oganda jo-Kenya kod rocho ratich oganda jo-Kenya mar yudo mwandu mopuodhi kendo maler. Bende oseo Linturi kuom temo chuno kambi mar Kel Chemicals mondo mi oting' osigo mar keyo mbolea mabandia gi thuon. Gino makoro kelo chich ni nitiere gimoro ma pod opandore mapok ong'e.
You may think you are watching a movie, that a whole cabinet secretary can storm the premises of a private company, that is Kel Chemicals Limited, and direct, in fact, attempt to frog march the management of the company to go and participate in a press conference at the premises of NCPB and take responsibility.
We were voted by farmers who cannot even afford a meal, honorable members.
The president has to remove this cabinet secretary from office. We are speaking to him. We are telling him this is one of your incompetent cabinet secretaries. Please hear us. Listen to us.
Is it in order for the member of parliament, for the nominated member of parliament to claim that he had already made up his mind from the time the cabinet secretaries were nominated or appointed that they were incompetent?
You are elected by your people to come and speak for them. It is you who can speak to Mithika Linturi. It is you who can speak to William Ruto, who appointed Mithika Linturi. And when these cabinet secretaries were appointed, Mr. Speaker, I remember saying that this is going to go in the records of history as the most incompetent cabinet.
Kata kamano, moko kuom jod bura no siro Mithika Linturi kagiwacho ni oganda orit nonro mondi eka ng'ad bura makare ni Linturi kabende giseo Wamboka kuom nywando ketho mamoko mag Linturi manie doho e bura no.
Allow the committee to bring a proper report on what happened. Because, Mr. Speaker, we have crooks as businessmen.
And I would beg you this early to withdraw this motion to save yourself from the embarrassment, Honorable Wamboka.
If this House proceeds with the motion as it is, we have the possibility, there is a likelihood of making a premature decision.
What we are being told is just but the tip of the iceberg. When the full extent of this fertilizer scandal is exposed, you will be shocked.
Jatend kweth manoke od bura Opiyo Wandayi chich ni nitiere gik mathoth ma jo-Kenya ok ong'eyo wach ni komado nitiere teko moko mathoth manie wach ni teko mohewo kata mar Linturi owuon.
NCPB rushes to pay for this fertilizer. It basically tells you that somebody powerful was pulling the strings behind the scenes.
Mr. Speaker, this one should be the day that Kenyans will know that this House understands its powers and can use its powers for the fact for which we were put here.
Od bura no pudho paro mar nono Linturi kagidwaro gole apisi. Jod bura 149 nogoyo ombulu mar siro paro no. 36 kuomgi kata kamano nogoyo ombulu ma pingo paro makamano. Ka jod bura 3 to nodagi goyo ombulu. Bang' pudho paro makamano, od bura no yiero Naomi Wako, Samuel Chepkonga, George Murugara, Jane Maina, Kasim Tandaza, Malulu Injendi duto mag Kenya Kwanza. Kajokanyo mag komiti no ma jo Azimio oting'o TJ Kajwang', Robert Mbui, Yusuf Farah kod Catherine Omanyo. Recho Nyamai mar Jubilee bende nie komiti no. Komiti makamano igeno ni koro biro kelo duoko mag nonro no bang' dala par kama jod bura biro goyo ombulu. Ka jod bura 176 osiro paro makamano to ibiro thich oko jatend migawo mar pur Mithika Linturi apisi kalore gi chike mapachuka. Lydia Okeyo, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.